So I just done 30 seconds of video there because I was just hanging my washing out and I could just hear all the birds singing, and it's lovely because I always feed the pigeons, which are probably on the feeder now. Yeah, there they are on the feeders. But it's nice because we've been having small birds into the garden as well, so they've been going along the gutter in there and just picking out insects and things. But I thought I'd do a little update because I'm about to do some gardening, but I just wanted to show you how everything is growing because we've had such beautiful weather. So these were the beans I bought from the plant sale down the road, and they're starting to come into flower now. And all my planters, these all need a water today, but they've got little, this is where I sprinkled all the seeds, mixed them all up. They're all coming up. And what I might do is just put a few more plants. I've got some marigolds I can just put in with these, just so that it fills them out a bit. And this one. And look at this beautiful arum lily. Now I think that's the best it's ever done in that position, because I was contemplating moving it this year, but actually it's in lovely flower there. I've got 4 beautiful flowers, so I'm actually going to leave it where it is. Now I have got a lot of weeding to do, as you'll notice, but today I'm going to focus on my plants that need repotting on. They're starting to need that extra room to grow now. I can see I can do plenty of weeding here. I think that big bulk is possibly birdseed that has spread. But look at this. Let me just come around this side. Look at my sweet williams and pansies. These were all from last year, and I think they've done better this year than last. They're just absolutely gorgeous. My sunflowers are coming up over here as well. They've really come on since I potted them up. And I have got a few bits that I need to bring out of the greenhouse, but I'm just going to concentrate first. These ones are more pressing. So I've got nasturtium here. That will need potting on. There's the marigolds I was talking about, and we're already getting flower coming. A couple of flowers there. And we've got the morning glory. And this one was from the plant sale, but I honestly can't remember what it was. So that'll be a little bit of a surprise, that one. But yeah, there's some more beans here as well, so I could either tuck them in with the ones I've got, or I've got some in the greenhouse as well. I could potentially put them all in one new pot together, because they're my ones from seed. And then the black-eyed Susans, which I bought down the road from a lady who has a gardening business and she sells plants. I got this whole lot for £25, so it was 3 for a £5. And look, I've got all different colours I didn't even know existed. I knew the white and the orange and the yellow, but I didn't know about these beautiful pink ones and these red ones as well. Arizona Brownie and Rose Sensation, that one. So my aim is to get some of them trailing and some of them climbing. Now, I did have a little look at some of her varieties, and what she's done is she's put some with some bamboo canes in a pot. So I'm going to do that with these, with some of them, and I'm going to get them to climb up the pots. I think they look absolutely amazing, but I'm going to put all different colours in there. So that's what I plan to do. And then the other ones, I will have them probably some in the chimneys, and I can just have them cascading down, and I might even have some down the bottom as well in those big planters. So I've got quite a bit to do, so I'm going to make myself a coffee, get on, and I'll show you the results. But the nasturtium, I know from old that it does get black fly. Well, I always get black fly with it, so I know to probably not pot that with anything else, and to just sort of keep it separated from other stuff, because for some reason I always get black fly. So yeah, I thought I'd just share with you what's going on today, and I believe there is going to be rain tomorrow, so today's the day to do it and then get some of that natural beautiful rain on it tomorrow. But I'll water it all in tonight once I'm done and the sun's off it, and yeah, I'm looking forward to it. So those tomatoes there, I've actually got some tomatoes coming just very quickly. I'll show you. You can see them just here. Got a few tomatoes coming, so I have got some feed, so I'm going to need to start feeding this week, and then once everything's in, I can obviously feed this one now. That's got sunflowers on their way, hopefully. Put the seeds in for them. Once everything's in pots, I can start feeding, and hopefully I'll give you a nice update with a beautifully coloured garden. So a lot of weeding to do, but today I'm going to focus on just planting everything out. So thank you for joining me once again. These are all my little baby ones, but some of them need to come out now. I'll let you know how it goes. Thank you for watching.